requires you to comply with all
coordinates. I'm back here in Singapore. Ang saya ko. Nakabalik na ako ulit sa Singapore. I love this place. Hi guys! Hi mom! We are already checked in. So, nag-stay kami sa Copthorne Kings Hotel. Kasama siya sa Klook na tickets namin. So, we have 2 rooms. Dito muna kami sa isang room. We're ready. Ano oras na ba? Wait. 3:15. 3:15 na nakahiga pa kami. Gusto niyo ng room tour? Parang ayoko. Ito lang yung room namin, guys. Isang bed, then may sofa doon. So, I guess, pwede isa pang tao kung willing siya. And look! We have our merch! Ang ganda niya! Ito yung sweater. Ang ganda! Tapos nakakuha kami ng small sizes ng t-shirt. Ito kay Ate Faye. Nice! And this is our CR. Uy, ang laki! Ang galing, ang laki. Ganda! Kaso walang bidet na naman. Ano to? Ay, teka, wait. Hi, guys. Ready na kami for TS. Let's go. Do you like our hair blings? And our eye makeup? Hi. Pakita mo yung sleeves mo. Minsan sleeves. Minsan sleeve. I cannot. Kumukulot na yung buhok ko sa amin. Hi. Paayos pa kayo ah. Done with the bag check. Ito na lang may silong na. Hi guys! Michay! Hi! We are done! We're done! Sobrang galing ni Taylor. Orchard na pala to. Nasa Orchard na kami. We're looking for a place. Yes. Go Michay, take it away.
Grabe!
Ako na pala. But yeah, we are in Orchard Road.
The night is over. After all the preparations.
I know, right? Sarap ng dinner namin, guys. Parang barbecue siya na chicken. And then, may quail eggs din ako. As ang laki ng serving ng rice nila. I knew it. I-take out na lang namin. Welcome to day 3 here in Singapore.
Day 3 of challenges.
I know! Bago kami umalis ng hotel, may challenge na nangyari na naman. Tapos ngayon, naligaw na naman kami.
Naligaw and nawala ang kagamitan.
I cannot. So, right now, pupunta kami sa next hotel namin. Yun na yung last hotel namin. We can finally chill and stop this paglilipat. Okay. So, tatawid lang kami. Doon. Mag-overpass kami doon.
Overpass?
Kasama tong mga luggages. Girl!
Mag-grab na lang.
Ayun. Nakahanap kami ng other way na hindi mag-overpass. May pedestrian crossing dito. Ay. Hello guys! Naalala ko mag-vlog. Asan ba tayo? Papuntang Merlion Park. And ito yung, I think, pinaka-okay na view to see the Marina Bay and the buildings.
About you lately, oh yeah. You better tell me what's going on. Come on now, is you in love? Ooh, you can go about your business. Come on now, go about your life. Ooh, cause you ain't got no time to waste. Come on now, so please don't waste it.
Okay, so gabi na, wala pa rin akong content.
Ano ba yan?
Nag-mall kami, bumili kaming Beyond the Vines, mga pasabays, yung friends ni Mitch na kasama rin namin. Dinala kami dito sa Satay Place. Yun nata yung name. Tapos hindi namin ito malalaman.
Parang loob siya.
Oo, ng Gardens by the Bay. Ata. So, ewan ko, feeling ko kung hindi nila kami dinala dito, hindi namin to malalaman at all.
Parang local, pang-local.
Sorry na kung puro montage tong vlog na to for today's video. Bukas magsisipag na ako.
Spell montage, char.
Ito pala si Mitch. Say hi. New member of the vlog. Yeah, so nag-wait na kami ng food. Also, siya lang yung kasama ko for the whole day. Kasi para kaming mag-jowa for today's video.
Hindi ka masaya.
Aww! Okay, next. Couple goals!
Sorry, Fiel. Sorry.
Practice mo na to pag nagka-jowa ka. Thank you for your friends, Mitchay. Thank you, guys. Yes. Welcome to day 4 here in SG.
Hi! Inuulan kami ngayon.
Ang lakas ng ulan, grabe. Wala kaming nadalang tayo. Sorry. Unti na lang makakarating na kami sa Coach Cafe. Pero ayaw namin magbasa. Ooh, fancy.
Sana abot ng budget niya. Gusto mo lakarin na lang?
Sige.
Baka may makita.
desserts and coffee lang pala meron doon. Akala namin may food. So, naghahanap muna kami ngayon ng pang-lunch. And then, ano na eh, mga 10 AM na kami bumaba. Akala talaga namin may lunch doon. We are eating here at home, our restaurant. We ordered din kaya toast and beef and rice. Kaya toast. May laman siyang something. Butter and parang niyog. Tapos beef and rice. Small servings only. Sarap. Hi everyone. We are here at the Coach Cafe.
With her overpriced coffee.
But she bought it anyway. So we can shoot content.
Masarap.
Masarap daw. Hindi na ako bumili kasi gusto ko i-try yung Hojicha tea sa SB. Ang ganda na tong wall na to for aesthetic purposes. Ang ganda rin nung ano nila, counter. Nice. It's so nice, right? This is the second floor of the Coach Cafe. It's the vintage bags, I guess. Nice.
I think pwede mo i-customize kapag nag-purchase.
Hi. This is the next room. Ay, wow. Bongga. Okay. Ito lang siya, guys. Parang department store. Char. Cute. Going to the third floor. Ay, ang ganda, oh. Aesthetic. Thank you, Maan, for bringing me here. Guys, muntik na kami maban sa Coach. Ang tagal namin mag-picture-picture. Pinababahan na kami.
Hindi!
Hindi ba?
Sabi, parang lower down your voice. Ang ingay kasi namin. Yung nagkawanan tayo.
Okay. Kasi may na-meet kaming mga Pinay rin. Tapos, wala maingay kami. Alam mo na. Pagkalabas namin, ang lakas ng ulan. Ang lakas ng ulan, no. Doon pa kami sa may car, sa Shake Shack. Kung nakita nyo, doon kami sasakay. Pabalik muna kami sa hotel kasi magbababa kami ng gamit. Tapos, on to the next location.
See you!
Hello!
We're back!
Nakabili na siya ng Lihoty niya.
Yeah. Kasi
Finally.
dito yung in-order ko 2 years ago. So, hoping for the best.
Papunta kami ngayon sa Marina Square. Dala ko yung gift sa friend ko kay Dane. Iaabot ko lang. Tapos, on to the next destination.
Before we go to Harry Potter
Yes.
later.
So excited.
Paket natin.
Tama.
Tama, okay.
Hi!
Hi!
Yeah, we are on the way to Henderson Waves. Yung bus na sinakyan namin, hindi siya huminto kung saan kami bababa. Buti na lang, kasi this girl,
Yeah, I need to pee.
this girl's urinary system is about to burst.
My bladder is small.
Yeah.
Small bladder.
Yeah, okay lang. Carry lang kasi hindi naman malayo yung lalakarin.
Yes, nag-hike daw kami.
May hike. Yeah. Kaya to ng outfit namin. Medyo foggy. Feeling ko dahil umulan.
The hike.
Oh, okay. This is the hike. Warning. Ay, oo nga. Okay. Go girl. Kaya natin to.
Girl.
Girl, let's go. Hiningal na ako. Guys, hiking.
Trained naman siya para dito eh.
This is the cardio na pinag-preparean ko bago mag-SG. Wait. Ang layo pa. Anti na lang. Ayun, patag na. Parang wala na. Okay, may nakikita na kami yung signs. Wait. And, okay. Henderson Waves. Let's go.
So guys, yung itinerary namin yun, mga libre lang talaga. Kaya kami nagtsatsaga na kami.
Kaya kami nag-hike.
Sige, uy girl. Natakot ako sa unggoy.
Hala. Andito na kami sa Henderson Waves. Apparently, may unggoy. Oh, ito yung map ng
Nakakablot ba ng
park. Oo. We're here.
We're here. Okay, we made it.
Yeah, we did. Init. Ay, ang ganda. Wait, look. Wow. Sarap mag-jogging dito, oh. Look at the view. Oh, doon kami galing sa baba. Ganda, puro puno, oh. And then the other side is the concrete jungle. This is the Henderson Waves Bridge. Ako. Ganda. Ganda. Nakakalula siya, TH.
Yung 7, para 2 parts. Ano? Pero natapos mo.
Oh.
Hello, we are back.
Yes, we made it to Sentosa Island.
Yeah, we're gonna do the Harry Potter Forbidden Forest experience. I'm so excited.
Let's go.
I'm so happy and excited. It's Hans Patronis.
Di ba daddy niya yun? Tama ba?
It's the stag. It's prongs. Ooh, it's Hagrid. And Fangs.
Oh, hello. Sorry, don't wish to be rude, but I'm in no fit state to entertain today.
The big pumpkins. Last and it's...
Very easily offended. You do not.
What the fuck, ang creepy! Hagrid's brother. Ito yung Niffler. Taray, daming gold. Marcos yarn. Wait, may werewolf. Asa na? Ayun! Ayun, wala na. This is the queue for butterbeer. Sana yung webs.
Fresh meat when it wanders so willingly into our midst.
Ayun, cute.
tried to teach you.
Hi! We are out and about.
Day 5.
Last day.
Yeah.
Nasa Bugis kami ngayon. Check for pasalubongs. Kung may mahanap na mura. Tama ba to? Ayun. We are having our dessert here at Liho Tea.
We're still on the hunt for Sonny Angels.
I know.
Pang 30 nata namin ito hinahanap. Since nakikiuso lang.
Ano yun? Ang pang mabilisang ligaya ni Angge. Wow. After walking for more than 5 kilometers. Charot. Wala. Out of stock na ng Sonny Angels ni Maaners. I'm so sorry. We are now on the way to Old Police Station. So, nadadaanan ko siya pag nagbabus kami, pero hindi kami doon bumababa. So, ngayon, parang iti-check out na namin yung place. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng park. Hi, vlog! We're here. We are now here at the Old Police Station. Yung colorful.
Ito pa yung marina eh.
Oh, yeah! Okay.
Pwede na yung marina ulit.
Walang katapusang marina, promise.
Everything.
As in, parang hindi kompleto yung araw namin ng hindi nagmamarina. Tinry ko tong Canon G7X Mark II ni Angge. Kasi parang, gusto ko siya.
Ang arte. Asa ma-arting friend.
Ito yung peg namin ni Angge. And I guess, nakuha namin. Pakita namin later yung pics. Ang ganda niya, oh. Colorful. Pupunta na ulit kami sa Marina Bay Sands.
Yes, ando lang siya. Hindi pala, akala ko tatawid.
Kaya lakarin ng 2-point-something kilometers for 26 minutes. Pero, wag na lang.
Yes.
Mag-bus na lang kami.
Our favorite.
Look. No jaywalking. Hello! Look at our view. It's so nice. I swear.
Welcome to New York.
So, Marina Bay Sands at night. The lights are so pretty. So, this is our last night here in Singapore.
Tears, tears.
I know, cry. And what a way to cap off our trip with this view. Ang ganda-ganda.
Okay, ipakita mo na rin yung sa likod natin.
Okay, wait. At the back view, ito, Marina Bay Sands Hotel.
Oo.
Ang ganda. Tapos, sobrang chill kasi may live band doon sa isang parang bar.
Oo.
Yeah, bar. So, ang saya tumambay dito and mag-chill.
Yeah. Kaso, maaga flight namin tomorrow.
Kailangan na namin umuwi.
Next time na lang siguro.
After 2 years.
After 2 years,
diba?
we'll make it a tradition.
Every 2 years in Singapore. Wow!
Burgis yarn.
So, that's it for our SG trip. I hope nagustuhan niyo yung vlog. Okay,
See
bye.
you 2026.
Again in Singapore. Bye. Bye. Bye view.